Mabuhay, a blessed and great day, everyone, and to our Verbum Day family all over the world.
I am Manuel,
And I am Imelda,
coming to you with joy. We are missionary disciples
from the beautiful island of Cebu, Philippines.
When we are asked, how has God called you to be Verbum Day? Our hearts immediately go back to the word that started it all. In every journey, we need a map. For us, that map was given by the prophet Jeremiah in chapter 29, verse 11. The Lord says, "For I know the plans I have for you, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, please, to give you a hope and a future." These aren't just beautiful words on a page. To us, they are lifeline. As a married couple, there were times when we did not know what the next step was. But God's voice in the silence of prayer always remind us, I have a plan for you.
This promise transformed us. It changed how we look at each other as a husband and wife, and it changed how we lead our children as parents. Being Verbum Day means we don't just hear the word, we let the word live in our home. It taught us that prospering isn't about wealth, but about the richness of the Spirit. It about it's about finding hope even when the world feels uncertain. Today, our yes to being a missionary disciples is fueled by the same hope. We realize that God didn't just give us this promise for ourselves. He gave it to us so we could share it with you.
Our call is to be living echo of His voice, to tell every person we meet that God has a future prepared for them too.
We are
We are
grateful for our charism, no, to also to Father Jaime's yes, to God's invitation because we really experience the love of God through this community.
Daghan salamat. We are Manuel,
and Imelda,
living the word, sharing the hope to all of you. God bless us all. Bye-bye.